It all begins with a dream of flying. Count Ferdinand von Zeppelin builds the first airships. Following a serious setback in 1908, massive public donations enable production to continue. This forms the basis for the Zeppelin Foundation. In 1910, Count Alfred von Soden-Fraunhofen is named head of the research department at Luftschiffbau Zeppelin. His goal? To optimize airship technology. By collaborating with the Swiss engineer Max Mag, he succeeds in doing this. His special grinding process for gears is a revolution. Count von Soden recognizes the importance of this development. ZF is founded in Friedrichshafen in 1915 as a gear factory for vehicle transmissions of all types. Cars are the new market. Count Alfred von Soden develops a 4-speed pre-selector transmission without a shift lever. It's not a commercial breakthrough, but it points the way to the future. Economic success comes several years later. At the Berlin Motor Show, ZF presents the standard transmission for automobiles. ZF establishes itself on the market with further innovations, such as the AFON transmission, which eliminates annoying noise. Its portfolio also includes steering systems, with ZF receiving the license to manufacture the Ross steering gear. At the beginning of the 1930s, ZF benefits from the boom in automobiles. With the start of World War II, ZF production is dedicated almost exclusively to the arms industry. There is no open resistance against the Nazi regime. By the end of the war, more than a third of the workforce comprises forced labor. Reconstruction of destroyed plants begins after the end of the war. With its champion automobile, ZF develops a car for everyone. However, the model doesn't go into serial production. ZF returns to its roots and focuses on building transmissions and steering systems. The company slowly recovers, with 80 apprentices in Friedrichshafen by the end of the 1950s.
Und dann war die ZF interessiert, hat halt junge Leute gebraucht. Und nach der Währungsreform ging das ja auch ziemlich steil nach oben.
It expands its product range. ZF manufactures new model series in driveline and steering technology for commercial vehicles and tractors. With the founding of ZF do Brasil, ZF is represented on a different continent for the first time. From Lake Constance to the world, it's an exciting adventure for employees.
Wir waren eine junge Mannschaft und wir haben gesagt, das schaffen wir und das wollen wir. Wir haben alle zusammengehalten und haben tatsächlich das Boot flott gekriegt.
ZF also goes international in racing. In the 1960s, driver Jim Clark wins 2 Lotus Formula One World Championships with a ZF transmission. ZF revolutionizes automobile technology again in 1965 with its first automatic transmission for passenger cars. and off, in the air, and by rail. The product range expands even further in the 1970s. Energy and efficiency. EcoSplit becomes one of the most successful commercial vehicle transmissions. More comfort for passengers and more durability, EcoMat becomes the leading automatic transmission for buses in Europe. Steering has been easier since 1986, thanks to the Servotronic. Steering also remains firmly in hand at high speeds. The electronic system controls the speed-dependent power steering. ZF becomes a global leader in driveline and chassis technology. Thanks to acquisitions such as Lemforter Metallwaren, Mannesmann Sachs, and TRW, ZF is well prepared for new challenges.